I'm back. My idea is that I'll do some of these more common herbs and do some videos on them just so that people know some of the things that they actually have pretty direct access to. And then as I start making herbal remedies as well as mixtures and dry as well as wet, i.e. tinctures of different sorts, which kind of like veers into my kombucha lane as well. That's when I will start getting more specific and individualized with people. I've had some clinical experience and I'm also an herbalist. I'm certified, so at this point I'm just continuing on with the practice, and one day it may become either apothecary or possibly just a plethora of information for others. I think that what I want to do though is just be a practicing herbalist for now and see where that takes me. So these videos that I'm doing now are my movement into that realm of things, and I will use jargon from time to time, but I want to be specific about the ability for every person to understand what I'm saying. So I may explain something such as the term called or Materia Medica, which is medical material, but also it's like mother material. It's like it's Latin. So and of course the type of herbalism that I am into is Euro/Western. That's just what my classes led into. So with that being said, my next plant that I wanted to talk about is called Senna. And Senna, there's two types of Senna. There's Senna Hebecarpa and there's Senna Alexandrina, and the two are different in both potency as well as where they're grown and cultivated, and also some other characteristics about them. So Senna Alexandrina is the one that most people like. Well, let me start here. Senna is used as a laxative, but it also has antimicrobial action, i.e. antibacterial and antifungal. The good news is that it's relatively gentle, just like most of the herbal remedies are, but Senna Alexandrina is more powerful, about 2 or 3 times more powerful than Senna Hebecarpa. And Senna Hebecarpa is native to the United States, but it grows in the eastern United States along the coast from Ontario down to Georgia, and Alexandrina grows in Egypt, Syria, Somalia, and India, for example. The plant itself has sometimes it resembles a tree. Again, it has slightly different look, especially the leaves, which is interesting. Sometimes they're more elongated and sometimes they're more rounded out. But anyway, the plant itself has a flower, leaf, and fruit pod, which the fruit pods are green and they are lined in the center with seeds. You can extract the anthraquinones from both the fruit pod and the leaves of Senna. So I've had some experience when I had some of my clients from when I was doing living caretaking. Senna was on the roster and it was used with other types of medication. So even though, again, because it is a plant, if you have any special considerations, please make sure that you are contacting either me or a medical professional that you have, so that you don't end up pooping all over the place or something worse. Peace.